Welcome guys. Our topic for today is product presentation of milk tea. What our agenda? Origin of milk tea, popularity and culture, variation of flavors and health consideration. Origin of milk tea. Milk tea has a different origins depending on region. In Asia, particularly in Taiwan, bubble milk tea or boba was invented in 1980s. Combine black tea milk and chewy tapioca pearls. In other countries like India, we see chai tea with milk and spices, while in the UK, traditional black tea with milk is a dairy staple. Popularity and culture. Milk tea has become global trend, especially among young people. Milk tea shops are popular hangout places similar to coffee shop. Social media has also boosted its popularity with new flavors, creating creative packaging and aesthetic presentation. What are the variation of flavors? Milk tea comes with many flavors: classic black milk tea, taro, matcha, winter melon, Thai milk tea, and more. Toppings such as tapioca pearls, nata de coco, grass jelly, and cheese foam make it customizable to personal taste. Health consideration. While delicious milk is often high in sugar and calories, drinking it occasionally fine. But excessive consumption can lead to health risks such as weight gain or high blood sugar. However, tea itself contains antioxidants and can have health benefits if consumed moderately.